Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to make some spice cake cookies. All you need, box this spice cake mix. Make a cake if you want. You just need some frosting, but I'd rather make cookies today. And got a recipe. Hope you're hungry. Cinnamon won't be joining us today. She's in the bed with her daddy. She's in there watching TV in the bed, keeping warm. I don't have any heat on in here. It's like 52 degrees. I've got shorts on and short sleeves, and he don't know how I'm in here. But I'm used to the cooler weather. I'm from further up north in Tennessee. Anyway, so it's just gonna be me mixing all this up today. So we need a box of spice cake mix, and you just add water, eggs, and oil. So if you take a look at the back, it says you need a cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and it says 3 eggs. I'm assuming that's large. I have some extra large eggs, so I only put two in here with the water and the oil. I gotta ration my eggs because I got more recipes to make. I'm thinking two extra large. I'm trying to say 2 extra large. So, we're going to prepare the cake mix as it says on the box. So we're going to pour on our wet ingredients into the dry. And we're going to give it a good stir. So we got that mixed up. You want to cover it up, and you want to refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. So while the dough was chilling in the fridge, I got a baking sheet, put some cinnamon sugar in the pan. I got the oven preheated for 350 degrees, and we're going to be baking the cookies for 10 minutes. Now, I followed this recipe. It's not my recipe. There's many recipes that's not mine, but some of them are, but this one isn't. And if you take a look, I don't know, the dough may need some more in the refrigerator, but I put in all the ingredients I'm supposed to put in. This shouldn't be runny like cake batter. So I got me some dough onto a parchment paper, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon sugar, and we'll try to make some kind of cookies here. And I'm gonna leave the dough in the refrigerator, and hopefully it might sit in maybe a couple hours. It said 20 minutes, and what if it was supposed to be 2 hours? These cookies look so huge, y'all. These cookies are gonna be big cookies. I'm hoping they'll taste good though. Only got like 3 minutes. We'll see. I'll try to do another batch around 1:30, you know, check the dough. I mean, it said 20 minutes. I don't think that's enough time for the dough to sit. I'm gonna go for like 2 hours. And then we'll make another batch. Hey, a few more seconds. We'll get them out of the oven and we're gonna see how they look. Well, they're not the prettiest. They're not the prettiest cookies, but will they taste good? You know, sometimes you just have to improvise. These cookies aren't the prettiest, but let's see how they taste. I mean, they don't look bad, but it's like, it's cake. A cookie cake, whatever you want to call this. Well, let's take a bite. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.